All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today, well, we're talking about apparently I have a brake bleeder wrench, well, problem. I realized today that I have, well, many brake bleeding options for, well, bleeding brakes, flushing brakes. I've got these Vim, funky multi-angle ones. I've got these SP Tool, funky angle ones. I've got an old school, I think SAE brake bleeder wrench. I have this Matco pass-through brake bleeder wrench. And recently, I bought a set of Mac pass-through brake bleeder wrenches. I think I have a problem. Obviously, my problem is well, I don't want to take wheels off cars when I'm doing a brake flush, unless I'm doing, brakes. Now, before I get the comments, brake fluid soaks up water, so it's deterioration over time based on the atmosphere. I live in a relatively humid environment. Brake fluid degrades. I also work on a lot of European cars that require brake flushes every 3 years, 2 years, etc., or when the CBS tells it needs a brake flush. I live in the South, so I can actually break brake bleeders loose and do a brake flush. So I just thought it was kind of funny because I just recently bought this Mac set, and well, my collection of brake bleeder wrenches is quite extensive. Now, a side note, and I think I did a video as of, new tools, whatever. Well, I promptly lost the 10 millimeter, so no review. I only got to use it once, so can't really do a review on it, and I didn't feel like buying another set or getting another wrench. I bought this Mac set recently, which I've been using quite a bit, so there'll be a review on this tool coming up shortly. It's a whole kit. I figure we all have our little obsessions. Some guys have the huge collection of, various handled ratchets or, every ratchet on the planet ever made kind of thing. I've seen guys with literally drawer full of ratchets. You got the guy obsessed with, chrome sockets. So as you pull out the drawer and it's just a sea of chrome. Apparently my thing is brake bleeders. So thought you'd enjoy this. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.